talk to us a little bit about the household concept and what is a more proper way to accumulate wealth and live a more comfortable life?
I think the simplest example that I've always used is that you look at any civilization, what makes up a civilization? Well, the family unit makes up any civilization. And so it's the household. I mean, the economy is, the subproduct of all the households in that particular civilization are doing, whether it's a country or whatever. That's the first concept. So, and then when you look at all of the assets that are owned by anyone, they're owned by individuals. I mean, you may have corporations that own things, but corporations are owned by individuals. So the reason I'm saying that is because when you look at your household, number one, your household needs to be treated like a business because it really is. And there's assets, there's things to manage. And, I think that's the first thing people got to make sure that they're taken care of is their household. That's your family unit. That is making sure that, the household is in great financial shape, that everyone's taken care of. The fact that you own a business or a piece of real estate or a 401k or a bank account, these are all just assets that are owned by the household. We call it the parent company. And if you start to really grasp that, I think what ends up happening is they look at their practice as this ginormous energy sucker that takes all of their attention and all of their energy, and like the practice is much, much more important than the household. And all I'm trying to do is flip that concept and say, no, the practice is a income generator. It's obviously where you spend a lot of your time. You have a lot of passion there, but you also have to make sure that it is taking care of the family unit. And not just a little, not just enough to pay your expenses, but that it's providing enough so that it can create real financial independence.